Hello everyone, we are Cambodian children. We stand with our soldiers.
Cambodian soldiers are our heroes. Cambodian soldiers are not symbols of aggression. They are sons and daughters of this land, standing to protect their home, their people, and their nation.
They serve not for glory but for duty, not for conflict but for protection.
Our soldiers stand on the front line so civilians can live in safety. They follow order with discipline and courage even under great pressure. Many leave their family behind, carrying the weight of responsibility on their shoulders.
To us, they are heroes not because they seek wars, but because they defend peace, sovereignty, and stability.
We honor their sacrifice, we respect their service, and we pray for their safe return.
May their strength one day no longer be needed because peace has finally prevailed.
We love our soldiers. Thank you.